subscribers around the globe. I just had some few I just saw some experiences in this my plantation, and it is something I need to draw. I need to come quickly to check out and to know what is actually the problem with my plantain suckers, which I just transplanted. If you look closely, I am still in my plantain farm, and I know these are just like 5, let's say plus or minus 5 days of planting them. They are not up to a week, but I can tell you that most of them, if you look closely, you will see that most of them are turning yellowish. Their leaves, let me show us. You see, like this one now, I don't know what could be the cause. Another one is here. Let me bring it so you guys will see. My plantain are turning yellowish. You see, so many. I think another one is there, another one is there, and I'm gonna be pulling off everyone which looks as if it is turning yellowish. I don't know what could be the cause. Maybe it might be that how is it called? Maybe they are yet to put their root downward. So maybe that's the reason why they are having these yellowish leaves on them. So, but if you know what could be the cause, what could be the challenge as to why this is doing like this, please put it in the comment section for me. Let me know exactly what you think could be the cause. Let me know exactly what you think could be the cause of this. Because as far as I'm concerned, nobody's an island. Nobody knows it all. So please put it in the comment section. Let us know exactly what could be the problem, why my plantain are showing this in this how is it called, the leaves. It is showing up and I don't like it. So if you look the other side, it's the same thing. Most of them are showing yellow and I'm not happy. I have to come back to make this video. If you see, so many. So I asked a question and I was told that it's as a result of they are yet to put their roots downward. But if you still know what could be the cause, please hit it in the comment section. And don't forget, this is Farm with E&J. We are the #1 when you have to do with agriculture. Don't play. You can see this one. You can see. Please put it in the comment section for me. Let me know carefully and exactly what could be the cause. But I will not allow them to be there. I still have to make sure I cut them off. Anyone I see that is not behaving well, I put it off. You don't understand? At least they must remain greenish. You don't understand? So please give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, share this video, and also subscribe to this channel, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video.